Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here, coming to you from Suffolk, Virginia. Looks like we got a Norfolk Southern eastbound loaded coal coming at you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I haven't heard a symbol, everybody. If I can get it, I'll pass it on in the title. All that coal just flying around. All right, everybody. Hope you like that. Eastbound loaded coal going through Suffolk. Thank you for watching. See you down the rails.